How to remove your Twitter on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Twitter on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down into the file settings and privacy. Click on it and here click settings and then just go down. Sorry, not settings. Click on your profile here and then click edit profile, and now just go down and click edit, and here you will find your Twitter. Just click remove and then save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and then see you in the next video.